In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize navigation menus on Wix Studio. If you're looking to enhance your website's functionality and make navigation smoother for your visitors, you've clicked on the right video. We'll go step by step through the process, making it simple and straightforward even if you're new to Wix Studio. First off, start by heading over to Wix Studio. This platform is specifically built for agencies and enterprises, and it offers a variety of tools that can help you elevate your project. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Login button. Accessing your account is the first step, and this will open up all the tools and options we'll be using today. After you select Login, you'll be prompted with several options to sign in. For the sake of simplicity, we'll use the Continue with Google option. This method is quick and securely connects to your existing Google account. Make sure you are already logged into the Google account you prefer to use. Once you're logged in, you need to look for the plus icon on your dashboard. Clicking on the plus icon is like opening a toolbox. It provides you with a whole array of features to add to your site. From here, navigate to Menu and Search. This is where you can find all of the menu-related design options. Whether you're starting from scratch or just looking to refresh your current setup, the menu area is your destination. Next, you'll see the option for horizontal menus. These are ideal for most layouts, offering an organized and user-friendly navigation system. Choose the style that best matches your site's theme, and then simply drag and drop it into your desired location on the page. This drag and drop functionality makes customization intuitive and quick, without the hassle of coding. With the menu in place, it's time to tweak its appearance to match your design vision. Start by clicking on Borders. Editing this will allow you to change the thickness, color, and style, helping the menu complement your overall design. Next, move on to Corners. Adjusting the corners can be particularly useful if you're aiming for a more modern, rounded look. After that, turn your attention to shadows. Adding shadows can create a subtle depth effect, enhancing your site's visual appeal. Lastly, don't forget to click on Layout. Here you can finalize the spacing and alignment, ensuring that everything is perfectly organized and visually pleasing. And there you go, a professional and customized navigation menu for your Wix Studio website. By following these steps, you can ensure that your site is not only stylish but also easy to navigate for your users. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're ready to take your site's navigation to the next level. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.